Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. Today we are making these cilantro and serrano marinated shrimp tacos. These are fresh. They're really quite special. Before we start, could you please sub if you haven't subbed? I'd really appreciate that. Click on the notification button so you never miss a video. Let's make this. So let's work on the marinade for our shrimp. I'll put 2 chile serranos in this blender. I only took off the stems. I'm leaving everything else intact. If you don't want this to be that spicy, you can take the seeds and the membrane off. I'm adding a full bunch of cilantro, 4 garlic cloves, 2 scallions, the whole thing, white, light green, dark green. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of oil. This is avocado oil. You can use any oil you want. I'm gonna add salt and about a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. All right, I'm gonna go and blend this. We're going to use 2 pounds of peeled deveined shrimp. So we're just gonna pour this on top. I'm just gonna wash this out with a little bit of water. Just swirl it around. Try and get most of your marinade out. All right, we're just going to make sure everything in there is coated or covered. Notice that I'm using glass to do this. Don't use metal because of the vinegar. You don't want it to react. You can use glass or plastic, okay? You can put it in a Ziploc bag if you want. That'd be fine. I'm gonna cover this, put it in the fridge, and let it marinate for about an hour. I'm gonna add 5 tomatillos to the blender. As you can see, I husk them, I wash them, and I half them. This one's really big, the other ones are smaller. So for reference, if you have all big, then maybe just 4. I'm adding a jalapeno, which I seeded and took the membrane out. A handful of cilantro leaves with the stems. A small garlic clove, and 1.5 avocados. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of water, salt, and the juice of 1 lime. I am just going to blend this. I'm gonna taste this for salt. I'm gonna add a little more. Beautiful creamy sauce for our tacos. I'm gonna make a little slaw for our tacos. So I'm just gonna thinly slice a piece of cabbage and put it in a bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of thinly sliced red onion. 2 radishes. I'm going to add some cilantro, juice of a lime, and salt. Gonna mix it, and we're just gonna let that sit until we're ready to use it. I'm gonna kind of massage that lemon and salt into the cabbage. I'm gonna heat this pan so we can start cooking our shrimp. All right, I'm gonna spray this with a little bit of oil. Shrimp cooks very fast. If you overcook it, it will be rubbery. I'm gonna cook all of the shrimp and come back. You want the shrimp to change color like this, and you want it to look like this, okay? These work very nicely on the grill, guys. All right, let's heat our tortillas. I always double them because I want the insides to kind of steam and be nice and soft. So we're gonna put some of our salsa at the bottom. And I'm just going to tear the little tail off from my shrimp. This would make a great St. Patrick's meal, huh? So green. I'm gonna spoon some of that cabbage on top. We have a beautiful taco. So let's taste these. Guys, there's an explosion of flavors in my mouth. This is so good. That shrimp it has a little kick, but it's not too bad. Oh my gosh. This is really, really quite special. I hope you make these and I hope you love them. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow.